Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. I'm gonna start this video off with a baby bump, and then I will be going off to clean my kitchen and then do some laundry.
Stars battle the same old wars like so many times before.
So my kitchen really wasn't that bad. The dishes actually were done twice. So the first load that you see me putting away, my husband had loaded up the dishwasher that day, and then we kind of ate throughout the day. So those are the dishes that accumulated from that day. So I'm just going to quickly hurry up and get those done, and then I'm going to wipe down all of my counters.
But I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We're never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
So this is the part where we start some laundry motivation. So I hope that you get some good laundry motivation. If you need to fold your laundry, this is the time to sit down and fold, because it is about to get serious over here. This is 2 loads of laundry that accumulated within, like, I'll say like a week and a half. So it was very much needed to get folded up and put away.
I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's fallen to bits. All in this is it. I tell these up, we both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and it's shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While this love's getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hold me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my wave home again? My home is you. 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 Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hold me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my wave home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Okay, and now we're heading into our second day. The second day, I am just going to be cleaning both of my bathrooms and mopping. So I wanted to mop my whole entire floor and then do both of my bathrooms. So I'm going to start mopping in my kitchen, and then I'm going to go over by my desk and then start over into the living room, and then my bathroom be the last thing to mop, just because I feel like those are the most unsanitary spots, and I really don't want to mop the rest of my house with a mop that was just used in my bathrooms.
I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Show me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental. Tu espíritu natural me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Show me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up.
So I did spray everything in my upstairs bathroom, and then I waited probably about like 10 to 15 minutes because I kind of got distracted, but it's okay. I just wanted to let everything sit and really disinfect. So I did get to spray down my sink, my tub, and my toilet, and just really let those soak before I decided to wipe anything away, just so that way all the germs are gone.
It's in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Okay guys, so I am reaching the end of this video. I am just going to leave you guys with the last little bit of dirty mop water that I needed to dump out. I hope you guys got all of the cleaning motivation out of this video and some laundry motivation, because I know that is probably like the hardest thing to keep up with, especially for me. So I please hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not subscribed yet, I hope you really do consider. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.